everyone. Welcome to Crafty Yarn Owl with Darla. I'm Darla. Thank you all for being here. Thank you for taking time of your busy days to spend time with me. I really appreciate it so much. I have a few things to talk about today. I have a list. All right, first of all, this top, I have a tutorial on it on my channel. If you'd like to check it out. It's made in the round in one piece. There's a choice of the off the shoulder neckline, or there's also more of a square neckline choice. So it's up to you. I like off the shoulder. I don't know why. It's sexy maybe. So anyway, also that hat, I have a tutorial on my channel. I am working on a cowl to match. And this goes with the poncho tutorial that I have. This is the back of the hat. Can you see that? Yeah. It's got same stitches that's in the poncho, and the cowl will have those stitches. Don't mind Hetty, she had a rough night. I got her a Dollarama, and she's, yeah, a little bit scary. So yeah, also this little pumpkin, I have a tutorial on that. It's for Breast Cancer Awareness Month, which is right now October, and yeah, I've tagged a few people to make this, and you guys are making it. Some of you so far have been making it, and it's up to you, you know, but it's just to bring awareness, because I'm thinking this, with this thing going on in the world, maybe we're not taking care of ourselves as well as we should. Just, you know, go out to your appointments, be safe, wear your mask, whether you're vaxxed or not, because we can all catch it, we can be carriers, we can spread it, so just be super careful when you go out. That's all I'm asking. But please take care of yourselves. Okay, so that's Breast Cancer Awareness. I'll link any video I talk about or any channel I talk about down below. I want to congratulate Doris from Rose Cottage Studio. She has a channel. Excuse me, I'm spitting. She has a channel, but she doesn't have any content as of yet. But she was wanting to get to 500 subscribers, and because of all of you, content creators, subscribers, all of you has got her to almost 900. That is amazing. You guys are so awesome. She wanted to be able to use her community tab, which is already used, to put, I think she's got 2, maybe 3 posts on there already. So go check them out. And she's wanting to help all of us in the yarny community. Like, she hasn't helped us already so much. She has sent beautiful yarn like this. She sent me this beautiful yarn. And so many others, other yarns, and she sent yarns to other podcasters, and oh my goodness, she is so generous and so thoughtful, so kind. Oh, Doris, you're just so special. So yeah, she wanted to use her community post to be able to help us out. Oh, thank you, Doris. You know, sometimes people aren't aware of amazing channels that are out there, so we need to shout one another out and draw attention to all these great channels to let you know we're out there, or they're out there. When I did the tag for the Breast Cancer Awareness Pink Pumpkin, it was not only to tag them, to ask them to be in this challenge, but also to let you guys know about them and check out their channels and help them out, you know, by subscribing if you choose to, And yeah, just we're all in this together. This yarny community is so amazing. I found that out as soon as I made my channel. Right away, people were subscribing and commenting, and I wasn't that great back then 2 years ago. I think I tried to act all professional. I'm not professional. I'm just me, and it's just be yourselves when you're doing your channels, because people are going to see through it if you're not yourself. So yeah, so then I found out the yarny community was so amazing, so helpful, so kind, so generous, and just prayer warriors. You guys are prayer warriors. Oh my God. Thank you, God. Thank you, Jesus. All right. So what else do I want to show you? Let's see, or talk to you about. I have a couple of yarny things here. Okay, I did a short video on Rum Butter Bars. Did you guys see that? Yeah, Cadbury stopped making them back in the 90s, and now a Canadian company is making them, and they're really good. I can't say they tasted like the ones from the 80s, but these ones are so good. So hubby only bought me one for him, one for me. Yes. Anyway, this weekend he went to 3 different Safeways here in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. The first 2 were sold out. The third one had some, so he cleaned out the box. There was 8 of them in there, so he grabbed all 8 of them. 4 for him, 4 for me. And he asked them, did he ask them? No, somebody came over and started filling up the box again. So there was some more there, and that was the Safeway at, if you're on here from Winnipeg, so that was the Safeway at, let me think. Oh my goodness, where was it? I'm going to write it across the screen because I can't remember. He went to the one on River, they didn't have any. He went to the one in, one of them in St. James, they didn't have any. I don't think. Anyway, I'm going to figure it out. I'll write it on the screen which one still had some. But you guys, they just rolled these out, I think a couple of months ago, and now they're getting sold out. What? And he said to me, I should have asked if they had a case. I would have bought you a case. I'm like, yes. He didn't even know I wanted a case. It's not all for me. It's for you guys too, to send out in Happy Mail and winnings and things like that. All right, so guys, okay, that's enough about the bars. Okay, I have 2 yarn hauls coming. I'm hoping they're going to be here this week. Whew. One is from a company I haven't ordered from yet before. This is the first time, and the other one I've ordered from them before. They have multiple stores on their website, so I ordered from them. So yeah, I'll show you those when they arrive. And I'm still waiting for one item for my craft room shadow box. I just need that one item, and then I can finish off my shadow box and show you guys and show you everything that I have in it. It was a lot of gluing. That's mainly what my shadow box is about, gluing things. I did crochet a couple of little items for that box, so you'll see those. Okay, so tutorials. I mentioned, let's see, that I'm making a cowl to go with that hat. I'm gonna do some more of the tutorial today, film more of it. I don't get to film on weekends because hubby's really noisy. He's got the TV going. I don't have really a place with good lighting to escape to record videos and tutorials and things. So this is as far as I've gotten so far. But it's gonna work up fast. Once you see the tutorial and start crocheting it, you're gonna be able to work it up fast. Okay, so yeah, so I'll work on some of that tutorial today, and I actually showed this the other day. I showed some of it that I was working on. It was going to be a wrap. Okay, and it was with this yarn that I had from the Scorched Earth Challenge. This is my last yarn I need to use, and I have till March 2022, but started using it, and it was kind of difficult for me to work with, and I don't know if it's because, well, it's a one weight for one, but also it's got this metallic, what do you call it, streamer type whatever through it. So I ended up frogging it, and I doubled the yarn. So this is it here. It didn't make a shrug, but this is the pattern for the shrug, but it only made like a scarf size, but it's really long. And yeah, so that'll be a scarf. But like I said, the shrug, it's going to be a shrug with the other yarn I'm using, and that will be the tutorial. So yeah, this is actually Universe Yarn by Hobby. I'll explain all that in the tutorial video once I get it up. I used a 4mm, and this is all I had left right here. And oops. And I think I used one ball, and I think there was some scrap left over, but yeah, that's it. So I'll talk more about that in the tutorial video, like I said, and it's going to be for this. This is what you're going to see in the tutorial video. And this is going to be the wrap, and I'm making it out of this beautiful sparkly dark red yarn, which is actually Big Twist, because I bought this. I bought it from Patriots Happy Place. She was giving away mystery yarn, or not giving away, she was selling mystery yarn, and that was quite a while back. I don't think she has any right now, but I'll check, and if she does, I'll put the link below, but I'll definitely put her channel below. It's the Big Twist, and look at how gorgeous that is, and it's a 4-weight. Color is mulberry. So this is a first skein, and I'm working from a ball like this. I'm using a 5mm hook. Yes, 5mm hook. And yeah, so watch for the tutorial for this. Not this week, hopefully next week. But yeah, it's really long because it is a wrap, and it's going to be quite wide. I have three skeins of this, and there's 380 yards on each one. I don't know if I'm going to be using all three. I might. You never know. But yeah, so that's what I'm working on. So watch for those tutorials. Oh, and let's see, I went to Walmart. I hadn't been to Walmart for I don't know how long. You needed to go in, excuse me. It's the beer. I don't drink beer. I don't drink. Anyway, it's hubby had to go in there for a pair of jeans, and they didn't have a size. I'm so sorry. I'm just hiccuping. I think I'm talking too fast. I think that's what it is. I'm trying to get everything out. But so we went to Walmart. I went in there to check the yarn aisle. Now, I've never been happy with their yarn aisle, honestly. And I still not happy. So I did videotape some of the whole yarn row, which is only one, and then there's a couple of clearance end caps. So yeah. So should I put that in this video? No, I think I'll put that in the next video, because I think I'm getting a little long with my video. I don't like to go too long. Did I buy yarn? Well, you'll have to watch the next video. I did buy something. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for being here. I hope I gave you some laughs. I hope you're inspired. I hope you were able to enjoy this video. If you did, click that like. If you're not subscribed yet, I would love for you to subscribe and hit the bell for all notifications. And share. All right, I love you guys so much. I really do. It's, you know, God said to love one another, and I truly do love you. It's the love of God. All right, so life is what you make it, and so is yarn. So let's get crocheting or knitting or whatever else you do with yarn. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.